In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to start and join a Zoom call directly from Slack. This is a super useful feature if your team already lives inside Slack and you want to quickly jump on a Zoom meeting without switching apps, copying links, or wasting time setting things up manually. Whether you're working remotely, collaborating with a team, or hosting quick check-ins, this workflow can save you a lot of time. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, make sure you already have Zoom integrated with your Slack workspace. Most teams already have this set up, but if you don't, an admin can easily add the Zoom app from the Slack app directory. Once that's done, open Slack on your desktop or in your browser and navigate to the channel where you want to start the Zoom call. This could be a team channel, a project channel, or even a direct message. Now, click on the message box at the bottom of the channel, just like you would if you were about to type a normal message. Instead of typing a regular message, you're going to use a Slack / command. Type /Zoom meeting. After that, you can type a topic for your meeting so everyone knows what the call is about. For example, you might type /Zoom meeting weekly team sync or /Zoom meeting client discussion. This topic will appear in the Zoom invite that gets generated. Once you've typed the command and the meeting topic, press Enter or click on Send Now. Slack will automatically communicate with Zoom and generate a brand new Zoom meeting for you. In just a second, you'll see a message appear in the channel with the Zoom meeting link, the meeting ID, and the passcode. Everyone in that channel can now see the details and join the meeting instantly. To join the Zoom call yourself, simply click on the meeting link that appears in Slack. Zoom will open either in your browser or in the Zoom desktop app depending on your settings. From there, you can join the meeting like any normal Zoom call, with your camera and microphone settings ready to go. For other members of the channel, the process is exactly the same. They just click the link in Slack, enter the meeting, and they're in. There's no need to copy links, send calendar invites, or search through emails. Everything happens right inside Slack, making it fast and convenient for everyone. This method is especially helpful for spontaneous meetings, quick discussions, or when you need to jump on a call without planning ahead. It also keeps everything transparent, since the meeting details are visible to everyone in the channel. And that's it. You've now learned how to start and join a Zoom call directly from Slack in just a few clicks. If this tutorial saved you time, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy-to-follow software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.